Do you know the significance of each day of Navratri? The celebration of Navratri, or Navratan, is a festival of 9 nights and 10 days that takes place annually in the autumn season. This festival is dedicated to the honor of the goddess Durga, who battled the buffalo demon Mahishasur for 9 days, restoring Dharma and defeating him on the 10th day, also known as Vijayadashmi. Each day of this festival is devoted to a unique form of Goddess Durga, each with their own distinctive traits and importance. On the first day, devotees worship Devi Shailaputri, the daughter of the mountain. With a crescent moon on her forehead, she symbolizes strength, courage, and composure. The second day is dedicated to Devi Brahmacharini, a symbol of recognizing one's true nature, depicted as infinity. She is portrayed walking barefoot, robed in a simple white sari, with a rosary in one hand and a kamandala, or sacred water pot, in the other. The third day is for Devi Chandraghanta, who drives away all negative powers from her devotees. She signifies alertness and the courage to fight against evil. On the fourth day, Devi Kushmanda is worshipped, a symbol of warmth and energy. The fifth day is dedicated to Devi Skandamata, the goddess of fire, who embodies skills, innocence, courage, and compassion. The sixth day is for Devi Katyayani, known for her anger and ultimate victory over demons, signifying healthier relationships. On the seventh day, Devi Kalaratri is worshipped, marking dynamism through deep rest. The eighth day is devoted to Devi Mahagauri, symbolizing beauty, knowledge, and wisdom. Finally, on the ninth day, Devi Siddhidatri is worshipped, representing perfection and enlightenment. In summary, each day of Navratri is an opportunity to honor a different aspect of Goddess Durga, from strength and courage to beauty, wisdom, and enlightenment. Each form of the goddess holds its own unique significance and teaches us different virtues, making Navratri a festival of not just celebration, but also of learning and growth.